Hello and welcome everybody to this call today. My name is Paul McCarthy and I want to bring you something that's taking the internet by storm. We have an amazing concept where you can simply store some of your crypto assets with us and get paid for doing so. I know a lot of people now in the online world heard of Bitcoin. They've heard of the blockchain technology. But a lot of us would store our crypto assets in the likes of Binance or Bitrex or on a hard wallet. But my question to you, how much do you get paid for holding your crypto on any exchange? The answer is zero. Well, I'm going to show you a way how by you storing some of your crypto assets with our wallet, you can get paid for doing so. So what's the concept? What's all the excitement about? Why are we the #1 growing company on the internet right now? The project is called Cloud Token. Very simply, it's an application you download on your phone. We are on the App Store. And as any of you know, in the business world, it's very hard to get on the App Store, especially if you're involved in cryptocurrency. And we are on the App Store. We're also on the Android on Google Play. So that gives a lot of credibility to what we're doing in this space. And quite simply, we have a wallet where you store your cryptocurrency on the wallet. You can withdraw it, you have access to your funds at any time, and you deposit. It's a wallet just like many other wallets in the marketplace. So what's different about our wallet? Why is everybody talking about Cloud Token? Because daily rewards. You simply download our application, you deposit some crypto, and you turn your mobile phone into an ATM machine. Because every 24 hours, you get paid for holding your crypto assets with us. Our first project that we launched is called Jarvis. So very simply here, you can see the phone in Jarvis where you participate. Jarvis AI is an artificial intelligence-based advanced trading software. So let me give you some details about Jarvis. Rewards delivered daily in tokens convertible to Ethereum or USDT. Soon it will be Bitcoin. First rewards within 24 to 48 hours. It's affordable to everybody in the world. Why? $1 is minimum deposit. Okay. You can also put in from as little as $500 to earn additional rewards from sharing or recommending, only if you choose to do that. In this project, you don't have to recommend anybody to it if you don't want to. Trading transparency. You can see the trades. We can send you the videos. You can see the live feeds. Everything can be tracked on the blockchain. You're probably asking yourself the question, how much can I receive? For holding your crypto assets with us, you can receive an average between 6 to 12% a month. So let's say you put in $1,000. What will that earn you? Roughly between $60 and $120 per month. In tokens, it's between 138 and 276 tokens per month. And you're paid daily. What if you put in $5,000? Well, that would give you between 690 to 1,380 tokens per month deposited daily. When we launched on May 11th, 2019, the price was 30 cents. Look what's happened so far. The journey has begun. And again, not every single thing goes up in a straight line. This goes up and also comes down. Right now, we've seen nearly a 47.3% increase on the price of the token. The price of the token did come back recently down to a 42 or 43 cent, but we can see it's climbing back up again. I think it's about 46 cent now again. So again, nothing goes up in a straight line. It goes up and goes down. But what we've seen, the way this system is built, it's very steady. We haven't got the huge up and downward swings, the volatility that we're seeing on the crypto market. So you can see here, as I said, when it came down here to 44, and now it's gone back up again. I love this slide. What you can see from the application is connected live to the blockchain. And as we all know, the blockchain never lies. So you can actually track every single transaction to the blockchain. We are building a community of over 100 million users. Jarvis was just the first project. Already we have 1 million people who has funded their application and getting paid daily. 1 million people. Just the beginning. We have such a bigger vision of where we're bringing this amazing company. This is the man that's making everything happen. This is the genius behind the system. Ronald I is the man behind fourth generation blockchain. He's won Blockchain Project of the Year in 2018 for delivering fourth generation blockchain being beta system. So for the new people on the call, or the people who are not that familiar with cryptocurrency, what does fourth generation blockchain mean? First generation blockchain means Bitcoin. Second generation blockchain means Ethereum, faster, more scalable. Third generation blockchain is is EOS and Cardano. Again, what does that mean? Faster, more scalable. Remember, everybody looks at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the godfather. Every other crypto asset is learning from Bitcoin and trying to improve upon Bitcoin. Fourth generation blockchain means we're the first in the world to put it live on a mobile phone. Every transaction that takes place in our wallet is live on the Aura blockchain. And that's the fourth generation blockchain. There is no company, no other project in the world that has ever gone live fully on the blockchain like Cloud Token. You can look at many other projects I have, you won't find any. So when you see a man come into this industry and launch a project with his background, with his credentials, you can go online, check his last 15 or 20 years of all his projects. This man is a visionary. This man has a goal. And the dream is just beginning. And for anybody on the call tonight, anybody looking at this for the first time, I encourage each and every one of you to do your research on Ronald I. Because what you will see is a man with integrity, a man with honesty, a man that understands technology, and most of all, a man that is delivering. And this is the reason everybody is talking about Cloud Token. Our end game is to become the future of mobile banking, bigger than PayPal and WeChat combined. That's a big goal. But when you look into what this man has done before, do you think he can do that? Absolutely. When no other man, no other company, no other project were able to produce fourth generation blockchain, and this man did. This is the reason that we have backed this man. We are fully behind this project and we are just getting started. Have a look at this. We all love the transparency. You can look here in the Binance account. You can see how many Bitcoins are traded in the past few days. You can see the links. Everything is shown. You can track all this if you like on his Facebook page. These are some of his posts. You can see what's in the wallets, how much they made. This project is very open. With social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, it's the way to communicate with your audience. And Ronald I takes that to the next level. He uses Facebook, but he communicates not weekly, not monthly, daily. Not just once a day, a few times a day. And the community loves it. They love how transparent, the time he takes to give all the feedback back to the community. This here is a video where you can see all the proof of the trades, the bot taking place. In this count here, there's over 13,000 BTCs. So why Cloud Token? No contracts. You have access to your funds at all times. Incredible, simple, and easy to use. This business is for everybody. It's so easy to use. Real technology, trading software, blockchain, merchant trading platform. Passive income within 24 to 48 hours. That's what everybody wants. If you're at home and you're a single mother or a single father or a married mother or a married father, it doesn't matter. Everybody loves passive income. Well, this is your opportunity to get some. Multiple ways to create streams of income, transparency, live trading videos, account balances. Your crypto isn't converted into anything else. If you store 0.2 BTC with us, it's always 0.2 BTC, irrelevant of the price. Community, now that needs to be changed, of over 1 million people with funded accounts. There's no products to buy here, no packages, no license. 4 easy steps to convert. You just go into your application, you go into your app, you click on convert, the process takes place, you transfer into your Wirex or your Coinbase, and from there into your bank. It's so easy to get money in, and it's so easy to get money out. It's very easy in and out. So what's coming? As I said, Jarvis was just the start. It was just the introduction of where we're going. What we are creating here is a truly crypto asset with true utility. We want to create a crypto asset in a wallet where somebody who never heard of cryptocurrency, who's never heard of cloud token, or even who doesn't like cryptocurrency, will want to use our application. Why? Because it will save them money. Let me give an example. Prepaid debit cards being launched in October the 5th. We're having a big event in Malaysia. Travel platform, where inside the application, you can book your hotel, you can book a plane, you can book a bus or a train, all from inside the application. Global SIM card, I love this one. Everybody all over the world, doesn't matter who you are, we all love something for free. With the SIM card, let me give you an example. What do most migrant workers want in the world when they travel? They want data. They can get a data package from us. We're running on a team will collect all the funds. They will trade the funds. And the profits that are made will go back to give free data. We're not promising unlimited free data. It depends on the package you go for. But each month you will have free data. That's a game changer. Once the word gets out that everybody's getting access to free data, what do you think is going to happen? Merchant program. What's another thing a migrant worker abroad wants to do? Send money home. Probably using Western Union. How much fees? 10%. Well, with our merchant program, which is going live in October again, you can use this, and there's only 1% on both sides. Another game changer. We also have Project Road, like a savings lottery, where we're going to have a monthly draw. Let's say you participate $10 a day. After 1 month, that's $30. You'll go into a draw. Let's say within the community, we raise 10 million. So with this, you're using platforms like compound finance, like lending platforms. Binance also do the same. You get between 15 and 19% a month. So let's say out of 10 million, 1.4% we get each month. That's $140,000. That'll be distributed out through the community, whoever wins the draw. The good thing here is this. If you do a lottery in your country, if you don't win the lottery, you lose the money. In here, your capital is always safeguarded. So if you don't win the draw and you want your $300 back, or if you put in $50 or $10, you get it back. So this is amazing, guys. We also have Project Friday for people who have a large amount of money and want to connect the Jarvis, the artificial intelligence robot, to your own Bitrex or your own Binance, then you can do that too. So guys, this is not just another project. This is not just another program. This is something special that's changing the face of the internet. We are creating a wallet where there's going to be real utility. This is the next phase of cryptocurrency. And Ronald and the team are making it happen. With that, I want to wish you a fantastic day. Take care. Thank you for watching.